Most people think they fail because they're weak. But the truth is shocking. You don't have a discipline problem. You have an environment problem. And today, I'll tell you the secret that successful people never reveal. The secret that makes discipline effortless. This is day 5, and after this video, your entire mindset about discipline will change forever. There was a boy who kept failing at discipline. He wanted to study, but ended up on his phone. He wanted to wake up early, but kept hitting snooze. He wanted to exercise, but never started. He thought, maybe I'm just not a disciplined person. One day he met an old man on a morning walk. The boy asked him, "Sir, why can't I stay disciplined? I try so hard." The old man smiled and said something that hit him like a punch. Discipline has nothing to do with strength. It has everything to do with setup. The boy looked confused. The old man said, "You don't rise to the level of your motivation. You fall to the level of your environment." And then he shared the secret no one talks about. If you want discipline, make the right actions easier and the wrong actions harder. Want to drink more water? Keep the bottle in front of you. Want to study? Put your phone in another room. Want to work out? Keep your shoes where you can see them. Want to stop scrolling late at night? Charge your phone far from your bed. The boy suddenly realized he was not failing because he was wrong. He was failing because his environment was designed to distract him, so he made simple changes. He cleaned his desk. He kept his book on his pillow. He laid out his clothes before sleeping. He wrote one rule on his mirror: if it's in front of me, I will do it. And slowly, something unbelievable happened. Discipline didn't feel like a fight anymore. It felt natural, automatic, effortless. Not because the boy became stronger, but because his surroundings stopped pulling him down. Everyone says, be disciplined. Try harder. Stop being lazy. But the truth is, discipline is not a personality, it's a design. Change what you see, and your habits will change. Change what you keep near you, and your actions will change. Change your environment, and your life will change. So for day 5, your task is simple. Fix one thing in your environment today. Just one. Move your phone, clean your desk, set your clothes out, prepare your tomorrow tonight, and watch how discipline stops being a struggle and becomes part of who you are.